Hi and welcome back again. Today, I just want to talk a little bit about AMC and option strategies that you guys can implement into your trades, whether that would be AMC, Sundial, Sens, any stock that offers options. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment educational purposes only. I also just started a Patreon page where I'm trying to find like-minded people to share ideas and help each other grow our portfolios together. If that is something you are interested in, check out my link down below. AMC right now is trading at $13.81. So if you guys have at least 100 shares of the underlying stock, and I know people have at least 100 shares of AMC. Someone just told me they have 5,000 shares of AMC. Okay, here's an option strategy. It's selling a cover call. What it is essentially, it's setting a sell limit. But we don't want to sell our stocks. We want to keep them as long as possible. Well, there's different scenarios. One, you can choose a deep out of the money call option. Or if it does reach your strike price, what you can do then is roll it over to the following week or month. So for example, let's take a look at one of this one. This is a 16 strike price. So as long as AMC stays below $16 tomorrow, at the end of the day, this expires March 19th. If it does, my 100 shares will be released back to me. So I am using 100 shares as collateral. And I do have different strike price. I also have a 28. So this is a 28 strike price. So by putting up my 100 shares as collateral, I receive a small premium, $33. And AMC, I don't think it's going to reach $28 tomorrow unless there's some massive short squeeze tomorrow, which could possibly happen because movie theaters are going to open up tomorrow in the Los Angeles County. So I was able to collect $33. I'm just here trying to help people get the most out of their shares. That's it. That's all I want, to help people make money. Made $33 on this one. I also have a 25 strike price, collected $22. I sold 3 contracts, so collected $66 on this. So $22 is, it doesn't seem like it's a lot of money, but if you do this every week, it will definitely add up. $22 can get you 1 movie ticket and 1 drink, depending on which location you go to. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how much you guys can make putting up 100 shares. So we're gonna go to next week since tomorrow is already the last day for this week. Okay, so let's say we want to keep our shares. The highest strike price that it's giving us right now for next week is 28. So someone mentioned they had 5,000 shares. So let's just go 10 contracts. You have 1,000 shares. You want to do this. You can receive $213 on your 1,000 shares. This money you can use immediately, or what you can do, you can reinvest it and buy more shares with this. So this is a great strategy, guys. I also have bleep calls. So let's say you want to buy 100 shares of AMC, but you don't want to pay $1,300. Well, what you can do then is you can go to a 2023 strike price, scroll all the way down. So I usually like to pick a option with a delta of 0.8. Let's see what we have here. We have the 10 strike price is 0.82 or 7 strike price is 0.88. It's $150 difference. So we're going to go to the 840. So you're going to pay $840 versus paying $1,300. And every time that the stock goes up and down $1, this contract will go up and down 0.82. You multiply that by 100, it will go up and down $82, which isn't bad. It closely replicates the stock. And with a leap call, you can also sell cover calls against your leap calls. And that's also known as the poor man's cover call, in which I've already done in my Robinhood account because I do have 3 leap calls. And that's all I wanted to share with this. I know most of you guys don't want to hear it, don't really care. I mean, of course, we all want this to go to the moon. I included, because I do have 800 shares, plus leap calls as well. So I want this AMC to go to the moon, but I also want to be able to generate extra income every week while I wait for it to go to the moon. So I would hope that people look into selling covered calls to generate income on the shares that they already have. And that's all I wanted to share. Thanks for watching if you got this far, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We already have about 40 members in there, and we would love to have you join us. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.
There's a lot of affection for AMC as a company across the United States. This is a proud 100-year-old company. Going out to a movie theater is something that people have been doing for a century now. It's the second most popular out-of-home experience in the United States, second only to going out to eat a meal at a restaurant. And we took all that as a sign that there's a lot of enthusiasm for a return to moviegoing as A, the population gets vaccinated, and B, new movie titles get released.
Well, I am personally looking extraordinarily forward to Godzilla versus King Kong. I'm offended you didn't bring that one up, Adam, because that to me that's quality film, and I'm all for Godzilla. I'm a Godzilla girl. I mean, I like King Kong.
I know you're going to have popcorn when you go, right?
You got it. Extra butter. Adam Aaron, thank you so much, and we're glad that the weekend went well. Come back again soon, and we're waiting for the 50%.